Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. We are on a 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. As you can see, we've got the aft seating package on here. The seat backrest pulls out and doubles as a rod holder. Over the engine, which is a Mercury 115, we've got the ski tow arch. So this is great for any water sport activities and actually doubles as something else to grab onto if you're coming up from the swim ladder. Really solid structure here that they have on there. We've got the full rail package. So you see we've got the high rails on the gunnels as well as the low profile rails. Nice for tying off extra fenders, or if you have little kids on board, there's two places for anybody to hold on to. The leaning post here is a storage area. So we've got storage underneath, put a dry bag in there, your towels, and it's a reversible leaning post. So if you wanted to drive while standing up, kind of lean right against that, or if you enjoy sitting while you drive, flips right back into place. Really nice, comfortable seating position here while you're underway. At the helm, this boat does have the JL audio system built in. We've got a cup holder. We've got USB port here, anchor light, and then two additional cup holders. As we make our way forward, you'll notice that we've got the bimini top on here, excellent for sunny days, just giving yourself some relief from the sun. And you'll see the teak package that's on here too. So two teak pieces at the entryway underneath the bimini top, and then on the swim platform there's also teak as well. Up here at the bow, we've got a really nice bow cushion. It's actually two-piece that folds in half. So underneath this one is our fish box, which can double as a cooler if you'd like to, fill it up with ice. And then we've got our anchor locker here. We've got our full bow rail all the way around, cup holders. So while you're lounging up here, your drinks are right nearby. And again, the full rail package. So you've got your lower rails and your taller rails. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook and check it out.